We'll discuss triangle. Triangle is an important figure in survey. In triangle ABC, if the sides A, B and C are given, the triangle is fully defined. That means the area of the triangle can be calculated and also the figure can be plotted. The angle at B is called angle B or angle ABC or angle CBA. If CB is 4, that is small a, if BA is 3, that is small c, and if AC is 5, that is B, the angle at B must be 90 degrees. The angle at C must be 36.8698976458 degrees roughly, it must be so. The angle at A must be 53.130102354 degrees roughly. The sum of the three angles above must be 180 degrees accurately. If we multiply the sides by 10, CB will be 40, BA will be 30 and AC will be 50. Then also there is no change in any of the three angles above. Now, there is one important point here. The altitude of a triangle. Here this vertical line is the altitude of this triangle. Here this vertical line is the altitude of this triangle. Here this vertical line is the altitude of this triangle. Let's now measure the area of this triangle. There are several methods. I will discuss only three of them. First method, area is equal to half BH. A is area, B is base and H is altitude. Because the angle at B is 90 degrees, BA is altitude. This is altitude. CB, this is base. So area is equal to 0.5 into base 4 into altitude 3. That is equal to 6. Now we take second method. Area is equal to half AB sine C. This angle C is included angle. So if we take A and B, angle C will be 36.869897645 degrees. So 0.5 into 4 into 5 into sine 36.869897648. So you can calculate the value of this degree with the help of a scientific calculator. That will be 0.6. So 10 into 0.6 is equal to 6. This is just as before. Here also 6, here also 6. Now we will take another angle, sine A. We have seen that the angle at A is 53.130102354 degrees roughly. So the included angle is 53 degrees 130102354 degrees. 0.5 into 5 into 3 into sine this angle. So if we find out the value of the sine of this angle and multiply with these numbers, 6 will come, and this 6 is equal to this 6 and this 6. Also, area is equal to 0.5 into A into C into sine 90. Here 90 is the included angle of A and C. Sine 90 is 1. So 0.5 into 4 into 3 into 1 is equal to 6 as before. So we can consider any of the angles and we can apply the formula half AB sine C. We will get the same area. We will take up the third method. Here S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. S is called semi-perimeter. A is 4, B is 3, C is 5. We will add them and divide them by 2. That is equal to 6. The semi-perimeter is 6. Now we will see this formula. S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. S is 6. Here 6, here 6, here 6. A is 4, B is 5, C is 3. So 6 into 2 into 1 into 3 is equal to 36. We should take the square root of this figure. Then we can, that will be the area of the figure. The square root of 36 is 6. So the area is 6 as before. So whatever the method we adopt, the area is exactly the same.